Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, taking a walk, having a talk. How you doing? Today's message and video is about keeping it positive and surrounding yourself with positivity, especially positive people. You know, for the most part, people are okay, I guess. Some are super, super positive. Some are negatives, but some just want to tell you how miserable their life is, or just complain about something, or get you in a room and talk your head off about blah, blah, blah. Who cares? You know, they used to have an expression, you are what you eat. But I feel you are the epitome of your environment. You encase that. If you're always surrounded by woe is me types, we call those Republicans, and people that are worried, and people that complain, and people that don't see the positives, that don't see the glass half full, they see a glass half empty. They have to tell their story to you. Oh, well, that happened to me, but it was worse. Jeez, Louise. That, after a while, takes its toll. Negativity breeds negativity. And conversely, positivity breeds positivity and positive results. So, and that includes family, friends, your spouse, your business associates. Believe it or not, you have within you the power to choose that. You can't choose your family, but you can choose to not talk to them or visit them, spend time with them. But when the conversation gets negative, go outside, take a walk, like I'm doing. Or don't talk to them. And social media is just as bad. It's 10 times bad because, well, there's a lot of positive fake crap in social media. A lot of it's complaining, whining, and basically, oh, you think that's bad that happened to you? Well, you should hear my story. Woe is me. Wah, wah, wah. So if you're surrounded by negative people, you're going to be negative. And negativity, it's proven it's unhealthy for you. It'll shorten your life. It'll make you a loser. It'll make you unable to be successful. And conversely, when you're around successful people and people that are positive, and those two go together, by the way, then you're going to have more positive results. Now, people could say that Trump's a successful person, but he's negative all the time on Twitter. Well, guess what? His personality is negative, and he blames everybody for all the problems that he's created and that he has, and he's not that successful. There's a reason he hasn't released his taxes. It's because he's lying about his wealth. It's not impressive. They're going to find that out. But enough about your buddy, Donnie. Be positive, surround yourself with positivity, and it'll be a big influence and difference on your life and what you want out of life. If you want to be a miserable, depressed, unsuccessful, negative person, then by all means, don't do what I just told you. If you want to have everything the opposite of that, success, happiness, health, your dreams come true, surround yourself with positive people. You know, athletes, any kind of sport, if you play with mediocre opponents and you surround yourself with mediocrity, you may be a better athlete, but you'll never get better. You'll never get better than that. You need to play somebody that's tougher than you, that's better than you, that can teach you something, that can show you how to get better. Same thing with life. Think about that, huh? For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, keep it positive. Peace.
Live life 365.
That was very positive.